Hi everyone, welcome to Suni's Cuisine. This is Sunila. Today I am going to make mushroom soup. Ingredients I used are butter 1 tablespoon, olive oil 2 tablespoon, chopped onion 1, chopped garlic 2 tablespoon, chopped spring onion 1/4 cup, corn flour 2 tablespoon, salt as required, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, washed and cleaned mushrooms 400 grams, fresh cream 1/4 cup, thyme 1/2 teaspoon. Slice all the mushrooms like this. Melt butter in a pan. Add olive oil 2 tablespoon. If you don't have olive oil, use vegetable oil. Add chopped garlic. Now add chopped onion. Cook until translucent. Add salt. A tablespoon pepper powder. Cook it. It's time to add mushrooms. Stir everything together. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now mushrooms are cooked well. Add a glass of water or vegetable broth and boil it. For vegetable broth, cook few carrots, beans, potatoes with a teaspoon of pepper powder and salt in 2 to 3 glasses of water. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes and remove the vegetables. You can use that water as vegetable broth. Now switch off the flame. Keep it for cool down. In a blender jar, put 3/4 of the mushrooms and blend it. Leave the remaining mushrooms in the pan. Now add the grinded mushrooms into the pan which has the remaining mushrooms. Cook it. I'm adding 2 more glasses of water. Okay, now take the corn flour in a bowl. Add 3 tablespoon water and stir it until there is no lumps left. And add it into the soup. Boil till the soup is thickened. Now add salt and 1/2 teaspoon thyme. If you don't have thyme, you don't have to, it's optional. Now add the spring onion. And fresh cream. Stir it. I have used fresh milk cream. Sprinkle more pepper powder. It's according to your taste. And now the soup is ready. I fried some sliced mushrooms in butter for toppings. So I'm making some few decorations with mushroom. Your delicious mushroom soup is ready to serve. I made some bread toast to go along with the soup. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.